Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to turn off Discord notification in mobile. We're getting started. Make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So first of all, open your Discord, click on your profile icon and click on settings. Then from click on notification, disable these options. And then go to your phone setting. Click on notifications. And search here Discord and disallow notification. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel and we'll see you guys in the next one.